Hi everybody, Julie from StonePressions here. Today we wanted to show you how durable, well, stain resistant actually, is epoxy. We get a lot of questions. So we have some items here that we thought would be lots of fun to put on a sample of what we call our marble teen. This is just colored epoxy, and we're going to leave it overnight. Come back tomorrow and I get to clean it up and we get to see what happens. So the first item we have is olive oil. This is just regular, it's actually fancy olive wood smoked olive oil. You can see, ta-da! And I'm gonna pour it on this first square. I'm not just pouring a little bit, oh my goodness, I just spilled all over my counter and got distracted and walked away. Oops. And right here we have some cooking Merlot, because we had a lot of questions regarding red wine. Brand new bottle, so you know we didn't put anything else in it. It's not grape juice, although that would be pretty bad. And I'm going to pour some Merlot on here. Just being careful so I don't contaminate my other spots. Oh no, I just spilled wine. Oops. And here we've got grenadine, because, you know, who doesn't love grenadine? Nice little bottle of grenadine, show you what it is. And getting it on me too. Wipe that on the counter, rub that in real good. Here's some good dribbles.
That stuff is so messy.
I need a paper towel. Spicy brown mustard. Who doesn't like some good mustard on their sandwiches? Put a nice big blop of that on there. And last but not least, thank you. Last but not least, we have blueberries. Nice little itty bitty blueberries with blueberry juice. Just gonna drop them on there, get their blueberry juice on here. And oh no, it got caught underneath my pot. I'm smashing it in. I'll put a little bit more for fun. So there we have our blueberries. And a little bit more juice, just so you know. Got all that blueberry on there. And just so you know they are blueberries, because I can't resist. One little one. And our last square is Sharpie. Nice little Sharpie message for you. So, the next time you see me, I'll be cleaning this all off. See you soon. Hi everybody, we're back. It's the next day. We let everything sit overnight. You can see the berries are looking nice and dried out. Now I'm going to try rinsing it in the sink. Let's see what happens. First we're going to try rinsing the cherry grenadine syrup. This is just cold water. And here we go. Oh, that's thick syrup. The majority of it has come off. As you can see. Now I'm just going to take a wet paper towel, just a paper towel with just some water. Right here. Just a wet paper towel. Grenadine on the paper towel.
Not a trace of that on the counter.
Not a trace of it on the counter. Now I'm going to rinse the mustard. Just rubbing the chunks off with my finger. I'm going to hit it with soap and water in a minute. Blueberries. The red wine, the Merlot. And now the olive oil. Rubbing each of the spots, just a little bit of soap, not scrubbing hard at all. Not a trace of the blueberries, not a trace of the Merlot, the olive oil, only the mustard left a tiny bit. Let's see if we can do something about that, shall we? This is isopropyl alcohol on a paper towel. That's all we've got. Sharpie comes right off, no problem.
Wow, that Sharpie does come right off.
Sharpie comes right off, super easy. So if you have kiddos that like to oops on the counter, you don't need to worry about it. And getting it all off. Fresh paper towel.
There's more paper towels over there.
Thank you.
Wow, that cleaned up really nice.
And there you go.
Sharpie's gone, mustard's gone, grenadine's gone, red wine's gone, olive oil's gone. It's pretty clean.
Pretty clean. So, I'd say that epoxy countertops are pretty easy to clean. Like us if you liked the video, subscribe, don't miss our next one. This is Julie from StonePressions. I'll catch you on the flip side. StonePressions.com.